This is the Fertile Mindset podcast, where we explore all the emotional aspects of fertility to support you on your path to parenthood. My name is Sarah Holland. I'm the Fertile Mindset coach and a mother to 2 children after my own fertility challenges. I hope you find all the support and inspiration you need within this podcast to carry you forward on your fertility journey towards your own successful outcome. It's also my wish that through listening to these episodes, you rediscover how to enjoy life now and live it to the full while you wait for your baby. Now, let's begin today's episode. Hello and welcome to the Fertile Mindset podcast. It's lovely to be chatting with you again. Now, there is a lot going on at Fertile Mindset HQ right now, with a restructure and exciting plans underway to make even more support available, which I'll be announcing as soon as possible. And while all that work is going on behind the scenes with me and my team, we will still be bringing you weekly podcasts, and the next few will be 5-minute bite-sized episodes. I promise that although they'll be short and sweet, they will also be powerful and give you a lot to think about and work with. In fact, within each of these mini episodes, I'm also going to give you a journal prompt, something that you can reflect on and allow the words to flow from. It can be a way of getting to know yourself better, and it will give you clarity and support in using EFT by directing you to where you could use this amazing tapping technique for true emotional well-being, personal growth, and an expansion of all the qualities and the gifts you need from yourself on your fertility journey. And remember, if you'd like to use EFT alongside your journaling, but you need to learn EFT first, the best place to do that is in my Fertile Mindset Sanctuary, which you can find at fertilemindset.com/sanctuary. So, as always, it is lovely to have you join me, and most importantly, I am so pleased that you are making the time to listen to this podcast that gives you support on your fertility journey. And that's the message from today's podcast, really, that there is so much that you can do to support your fertility through your body, the food, the supplements, the medication, the procedures, the exercise you do, and so much more. So I am thrilled that today, right now, you are dedicating time to your mind, to you, to who you are in the middle of all this fertility stuff going on for you. Because that is important. It's really important that as a woman at the center of this journey, the one who is looking to conceive a baby, to become a mother, to start this huge new chapter in your life, and all the uncertainty, all the unknowns as to exactly how and when that will happen, this all requires a lot from you. It requires your strength, your tenacity to keep going, your creativity and your open mind to look outside the box of how you thought you were going to conceive and how this would all happen. At a time in your life when more is required of you than possibly ever before, it's also when you may be struggling more than you have ever before. Trying to put on a brave face, to plaster a smile on your face, keep your struggles to yourself and keep going, it's not sustainable. You might not want to tell anyone about your fertility issues or treatment. You may want to reserve all your time and energy and resources for fertility treatment like IVF, and believe that any time or money spent on yourself, on your emotional well-being, well, it's a bit of a luxury. But today I want to tell you, to assure you that that is not true. You are worthy of all the support. You may be in need of all the support, and it is a good use of your time, a wise use of your time to recognize and acknowledge the support you need, and then go out and get that support. So I invite you today to take a step towards lavishing yourself with support, or even more support if you do this already. And I'd love you to start with yourself. Before we can ask the support of others, we need to show ourselves that we believe we are worthy of it and we can accept it. So your journal prompt for this episode, and to start you on this path, is: if I were to be really honest with myself, the support I need right now is... If I were to be really honest with myself, the support I need right now is... Now let the words flow. Don't edit as you go, just write down whatever comes to mind, even if it's surprising to you. And once you have your page or more of your truth, Take a few minutes to tap on and with the words you wrote. The tapping will help you with acceptance of all you feel and need, and with clarity on what your next steps could be. How you are going to start giving yourself the real support you deserve and need at the time in your life. Now, despite promising you 5-minute episodes, this one may have gone slightly over, so I'll leave you with your journal prompt for now. If I were to be really honest with myself, the support I need right now is... And I look forward to speaking with you again next week. I'm so pleased you're listening to the Fertile Mindset podcast, and now I would love to invite you to join us in the Fertile Mindset Sanctuary. The Sanctuary is my fertility support membership, which is focused on taking care of you and helping you enjoy your life while you wait for your baby. In the Sanctuary, I'll guide you through using an amazing technique called EFT or tapping, and you'll soon be feeling less stressed and more joyful. If you're not already in the Sanctuary, do come and join us today, because the best time to start receiving support on your fertility journey is always right now. Honestly, it makes such a difference to have good quality emotional support and techniques that you can pick up and use yourself whenever you need them. Go to fertilemindset.com/sanctuary to join us today. I look forward to hopefully seeing you there and at the next episode of the Fertile Mindset podcast.